Hey guys, what's up? You know what I got in here, and you know how it's gonna go down. So I'm just gonna do this quick, simple, easy for you guys. Show you guys what's in the box, what to expect. This is, I believe, the March Lucky Tackle box. So we got some paper, some magazine, stickers, more coupon. Okay. Let's get one. Alright. So the first thing we got some worm. This is VMM. Some worm. Got some blue and green flakes on it. Right here. And these are 6.5 inches long. Take out one for you guys to see. Right here. So this is the VMN plastic worm. Next, got some Craw Liquid Plastic by Bigfoot Baits. There, it's made in the USA. That's our second item. Some more coupon, and looks like, oh, never seen this type of bait before. It's supposed to be a double hook jig, made by Snag Proof. Double hook jig. It's got two weed guards right here. Alright, and last but not least, live target bait. It's a crankbait. Craw finish right here. Looks really nice. This is a deep diver. Dives up to 13 feet. 13 feet. Really nice. Some worm hook right here for the worms. And we got some attractant. And I got probably 3 of these already. Used it. Didn't really make a difference. Alright guys, that's it. And